Hello and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. I got an unboxing video here. I got a package in the mail from Steve from Miniature Mustangs. Now, Steve has got a Diecast channel on YouTube, and I recommend you go check it out. But this guy's got some pretty cool stuff. But I wanted to share with you what Steve sent me. He sent me a letter too. It says, Paul, enclosed are some cars I hope you can use for your customs. I just started my own channel a few months ago and have enjoyed getting to know so many great people in this diecast community. Thanks for your videos and all the knowledge you share. Cheers, Steve from Miniature Mustangs. And Steve, this was absolutely unexpected, very welcomed. But let me share with you what he sent. He's got these great Miniature Mustang decals. These are fantastic. He also sent me a Hot Wheels decal, and I'm definitely going to strategically place that somewhere. But that's absolutely awesome, okay? Steve also sent me a card, but I'm not going to share that with you because it's got his name and everything all over it. Maybe once you subscribe to Steve and get to know him, he'll be happy to share his information with you. But just to protect his privacy a little bit. Anyways, without further delay, let's go ahead and go into what Steve sent me and see what's in the box. So let's go ahead and get started. A nice 67 Camaro. I always can use these for sure. Here's another one. That's fantastic. Love those Camaros. Another Camaro. Another one. These are all cars that I've asked folks, hey, if you got any extras or whatever, let me know, and I'll try and get them from you. Or if you want to send me some for future projects, there it is. Another Camaro. That's fantastic. Another one. This is great. This is a great box right here. Okay, Chevelles. I always love Chevelles. Yellow ones, blue ones, it doesn't matter. I love these cars. Here's another one. That's great. Wow. Like I said, I love these Chevelles. This is an actual car, folks, also. It's up in North Carolina. Here's a red one. Nice. Sweet. Steve, this box is awesome. Thank you. Another Chevelle. Man, that's beautiful. I might do a wheel swap on one of these. I haven't done one of these yet. Very nice. Fantastic. Okay, well, let's get into some more of these bad boys here. Ooh, there's a nice Camaro. Beautiful. Got plenty of customs planned for these cars for sure. Another white one. That's beautiful. Nova station wagon gasser. I got some up and coming projects for these. These are going to be fantastic, but man, that's a beautiful car. Beautiful. Another one. These are awesome. Here's a green one. Man, those are pretty cars. Very nice. Let's look at some of these. Here's some gassers. I always use gassers for sure. Very nice. Thank you so much, Steve. The Triassic 5 gassers. Here's one I did recently with a wheel swap. Check out the video on this one. It's already been released, but very good with those beautiful Samed wheels. Same car, just detailed up a bit. Very nice. Excellent, Steve. You rock. You absolutely rock. A couple more of the Triassic 5 gassers. These will not go to waste, I promise. Got some really cool builds scheduled here. All right. Nova station wagon. I've got a couple of the treasure hunt ones, or super treasure hunt ones for this one. Beautiful car. Regular 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser and another Nova wagon. Fantastic. My gosh, you've definitely gone above and beyond, brother. This is fantastic. A couple more Nova wagon gassers. I love them all. Here's another red one. Fantastic. Okay, now there's a couple other ones here in the box that I was not expecting, but look at these. The cool combi gassers. Oh my gosh. Man, have I got some things planned for these. Absolutely beautiful. Well, that's what's in the box, folks. I wanted to share these with you, and I personally wanted to thank Steve for taking the time to send me some cars here that I can make some customs out of. If you want to send me a box, I'll do an unboxing video for you too. But the main thing here is I want you to go and visit Steve's YouTube channel, Miniature Mustangs, okay? I'm subscribed. You should be subscribed too. He's up and coming, and he's got a lot of cool stuff going on, and he does other things besides diecast. He does model cars and a whole bunch of other stuff, collectibles. Check out Miniature Mustangs on YouTube and send Steve a hello and tell him you saw him on Diecast Graveyard. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Again, if you want to send me a box of goodies that I can open up and thank you personally, please do. Just get a hold of me in the comments and I'll send you my email address, and then we can converse from there. But thank you so much. This is Paul from Diecast Graveyard. You have a great day. Thank you and cheers. Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. We've got a lot more videos coming up in the future, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for joining me here today. If there's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Thank you and cheers.